Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So we have another listing, guys. This is 4 hectares or 40,000 square meters located in Barangay Monte Suerte, Carmen Bohol. This Monte Suerte is an interior barangay, no? It's still in the middle of Bohol, Carmen. Then this is going to Danao Bohol, and it is along concrete road or provincial road. So the property has so many coconut trees. It is around 200 plus, more or less, coconut trees, and it has so many banana trees. There is also a cacao and other trees. So there are a lot of improvements. So many good, guys, no? Then the soil is very good, as you can see. Even if it is not yet not really attended by owner, as you can see, the plants or the coconut trees or the banana trees are really healthy. Nindot kay tan-awon yun, healthy, very healthy. The only thing that they are not around, no? They are not around in the area. So that is the situation and the reason why they are going to sell this property. So mo na siya, guys, no? It's really very nice. If you can see this video, no, you will notice that there are a lot of roots in the coconut trees. Regarding the transportation, guys, there is a Fatima bus transit will go on this way. So naay Fatima nga transit, guys, going to Danao and kuan. So that is the public transportation. Then the signal is still available. You can see the signal. See, that is the view of the property. So we have taken a drone video. Then you can click our more properties for sale at www.propertyph.net. Then pag click nimo sa propertyph.net, click kag properties. Then pili na ka dito. You will select Bohol and Cebu. So that is the situation, guys. There are neighborhoods. So nindot sa ni, guys. Very nice because there are neighborhoods in the area, no? Daghang silingan sa di sa ingon daghan. There are neighborhoods in front of the property, and the back of the property no neighbor already. So this is a good farm, no? Nindot kay ni siya nga farming. Then the coconut trees is not too old. So bag-o lang yun siya. Actually, again, I have already a blog that they are going to sell. They bought this property before, gipalit nila. Now they are selling also. 100 pesos per square meter is a good price. Then negotiable. You can make an offer, no? You can make, for example, just make an offer. Di pa siguro kayo ubos, pero just make an offer since it is still under tax declaration. Hindi pa siya titulado, guys. So, nindot na kayo ni, guys. Kay, if you can clean all the surroundings and take care of all this farming or all this banana trees and coconut trees and other improvements, is really very nice, guys. Nindot yun kayo. You can have an income generating. Imagine you can have already the coconut trees and banana trees. So you can be called a self-sufficient food. No, nindot kayo, no? So again, what I have said, it's really good property, no. You can be a self-sufficient food, no. Then you can see around, it's really very nice. Then if you can have a good plans, no, plano ba, papasabot nako for this farm, clean all the things around, no. Imo lang yun ning limpyuhan og maayo, din imo ning dauban, mamanindot ani guys, dauban nimo ang ilawom, kanang but pasabot na you make a kanang si term anang you make a fire on the ground nga mo'y makahatag og daghang bunga sa lubi, mo ni that will result, no, more fruits on the trees, on the coconut trees. Nindot pud kayo kasi, no, super. Then again, the owner is not already interested, no, to go into farming. They are living in Cebu City. Wala na sila kuan na. Gusto na nila nga sa Cebu City na lang sila. Then this is their investment. They buy this property before. Now they are selling. They are not transferring into their name, but they have the deed of seal. Then they have already consulted to the DNR. Then the DNR advised them to, if there is a buyer, it will be directly put in the buyer's name, no? So diretso na lang ko, no. So sahi man god, others say that nga awa pa na ma-transfer, so kinahanglan pa, no. It's not like that, no. Kuan lang yun na guys, total na may deed of absolute sale. Imagine, this is 4 hectares. We just have a portion, video a portion lang, no. As you can see, no, daghan jud kayo ni dako ning lugar. It's a big property. Pero mao lagi tayo kung giingon guys, dili na insakto nga 4 hectares because they donated some portions, no. Naibalay gidonate nila, agi balayan ba. Yeah, nindot to sad kayo gyapon. Pero og gusto ka mo daghan pa ang bunga sa, if you want to have more fruits on the coconut trees and banana trees, mo na to, imo ning palimpyuhan, then pagkahuman you wrap that trunk, no, ang punuan of a metal sheet. So you wrap with a metal sheet na imo lang kuanan og yero or kanang sin ba sa Bisaya pa, i-wrap lang na nimog sin. Nindot na kayo ni guys, makabawi gyud ka ni sa imong income, or di pa panindoton pa nimo. So again, you can have more ideas in farming pa. If you want to have poultry piggery inside, no problem good guys. Oh, kayang-kaya nimo buhaton ni guys, nindot kay ni siya. So very nice yun. Dili pa kayo gulang ang lubi. The coconut, it's not really old, no, mabata pa. Naghagbunga gali bisan nga nigwa giatiman. So as you can see, no, daghan, there's so many fruits even if it not kuan anang monitored by the owner. How much more, no? Manay akong gibuta pasabot guys, no, wrapping a coconut trunk with a metal sheet that can prevent rats in climbing to the coconut trees. So ilagga ra magi-kontra mo na siya, pero nagdepende gyud na, no. Okay, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.